Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that Khyndailad will be hawkers-free by July. Speaking to media persons, Lyngdoh said the state government will be able to complete the entire task by the end of June, and it looks forward to a hawkers-free Khyndailad by the middle of July this year. He informed that a series of meetings have been held in this regard. The minister further informed that the registration process of the vendors is going well in tandem with the various vendor organizations.
That we will be able to complete the entire task by end of June, and we look forward to a hawkers-free Khyndailad by the middle of July this year. There have been many exchanges, a series of meetings have been held. The registration process of the vendors is going well in tandem with the various vendors organizations. They are on board. As many as 200 of them will be rehabilitated.
Social Welfare